भारत माता की।
Hi students, let us continue our lesson. Last time we have discussed about functions of a political party. Before that we discussed components and the definition of political party. Today's topic is necessity of political party. So why do we need a political party? Here with example we go, just imagine if there were no political party, then each and every candidate would be independent. So just imagine there is no party in the nation or in a state. What happened? Everybody stand independently. Okay, whether it's right, whether it's good, no. Why? Because what is political party? We should know the definition. Means political party means it's a group of people. There are so many groups. Means people are there. It's a mass. It may be 100,000 activists are there, leaders are there, and we have to remember the components. If not there means what happened? There is a loss. Example, independent candidate stand for election and he won the election means what he can do? Maximum he can work for his district or his taluk or his area only. But what about whole country? Whole country require development. Okay. How it's possible from independent candidate to develop the nation? That's why what happened, for any development of the country or the nation, a party is very important. A group of people have to be there and they have to work for the nation. They are together, united, and it is become as a major component of the political party. So otherwise what happened? There is no development of the nation. That's why a party is very necessary. Okay, and we can go further information. Why do we need a political party? A political party is necessary to bring diverse people on a common platform so that bigger issues can be taken care of. Means a political party should take care of the people. People are not same, their interests are not same, opinions are not same, they are different. So that's why what happened? Representative democracy. Every people who stand for election as a MLA or MP, they come from different area. Example, Nikhil Kumaraswamy win from some other place, Rahul Gandhi from Wayanadu, Narendra Modi from Varanasi. Like that, so many examples we can give. They are come from different. They won the election from different area. Their language is different, culture is different, and they work for their where they won. Okay, and come and they represent in parliament or in legislative assembly. Okay, that's why what happened? It is impossible to reach the people from independent person. When governance have to run means they are belongs from the party, single party or more than that. But independent candidate cannot be go for everywhere. Okay, and he cannot participate directly in governance. The need for representative democracy has given rise to political parties. That's why political parties are very important. Okay,